स्टुडंट्स, आज आपण केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ फिनॉल्स पाहणार आहोत. पण त्या पाहण्यापूर्वी आपल्याला माहीत पाहिजे की फिनॉलपेक्षा रिॲक्टिव्ह हा कोण असेल तर फिनॉक्साईड आहे. कसा बनतो बा, वन हायड्रोजन ॲटम फ्रॉम OH ग्रुप रिप्लेस झाला किंवा निघून गेला तर देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द फिनॉक्साईड आयन. So in the phenoxide, oxygen carries 6 electrons and negative charge. Now these electron pairs, these are the pi electrons, 6 pi electrons, they can be rotated or change their locations to form the resonating structure. Now see that in the first structure, 2 electrons shifts from this oxygen to form this single bond, it becomes the double bond. Similarly, this electron pair immediately moves to the ortho position, carry the negative charge. In such a way that negative charge means was nothing but it is a electron density. It changes its location from ortho position to the para position. From para position again it goes to the ortho position. And in the see the last structure. Last structure मध्ये काय दिसून येते बा, जे पहिल्या स्ट्रक्चरमध्ये जे बॉन्डिंगची पोझिशन होती डबल बॉन्डिंगची ती चेंज झाली. म्हणजेच काय झालं, जिथे डबल बॉन्ड होता तिथे सिंगल बॉन्ड आणि जिथे सिंगल बॉन्ड होता तिथे काय झालं डबल बॉन्ड. म्हणजेच ह्या स्ट्रक्चर्सना म्हटलं तर रेझोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स. सो दिस फिनॉक्साइड आयन इज मोर रिॲक्टिव्ह दॅन द फिनॉल. So now see the in the structure second, third and fourth, that negative charge is nothing but it is the electron density is present at ortho and para position. So whatever reactions of phenol takes place, there will be formation of the ortho derivative and the para derivative. Now we will see the first halogenation. Now in halogenation, first type bromine in water. So water used as a polar solvent. Now see the reaction when phenol treated with bromine in polar solvent like water. So you will see that 3 Br atoms or the bromo groups attached to ortho position and 1 para position. So there is a formation of 2,4,6 tribromophenol when the polar solvent water is used in the halogenation. Now you see the second step. Bromine reaction with the same with the bromine, but the solvent is now changed. मगाशी solvent काय होता polar solvent, आता solvent काय घेतला कार्बन डायसल्फाइड as a organic solvent. So solvent is changed. solvent change झाल्याबरोबर जे product तयार झाला तो पण काय झाला वेगळा झाला. Now see here when phenol treated with the bromine in organic solvent like carbon disulfide, so there is a formation of the two compounds. So there is a formation of mixture of two compounds. One ortho position la bromo attach झाला, so the name of the compound O-bromophenol, and para position la bromo attach झाला, so that is P-bromophenol. Now see OH minus is a negative charge, Br also negative charge, so those are opposite to side. So whatever product formed, that will be the major product. So we can say that P-bromophenol is a major product. Understood that? जर water घेतला तर काय फॉर्म होईल 2,4,6 tribromophenol, आणि जर कार्बन डायसल्फाइड ॲज अ सॉल्वंट यूज केलं तर देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मिक्सचर ऑफ O-bromophenol and P-bromophenol. Nitration, that is nitration of phenol, means what? Addition of nitro group by replacement of the hydrogen atom. So first that is with dilute nitric acid. Now underline that dilute means water is added in that nitric acid. So when phenol treated with dilute nitric acid, so there is a mixture of, so see previously O-bromophenol, similarly O-nitrophenol, nitro group attached to the ortho position and nitro group attached to the para position. So there is formation of mixture of O-nitrophenol and P-nitrophenol. So P-nitrophenol is a major product. Next one is there, that is a very IMP. This reaction asked for many times for the CET and for the writing also. So with concentrated nitric acid, in this case we should should know that concentrated H2SO4 also present, because the mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated H2SO4 is called nitrating mixture. So when phenol treated with nitrating mixture means concentrated nitric acid in presence of H2SO4, there is formation of, now see what will form. So second position, fourth position and sixth position, 3 nitro groups are added. So 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol is formed. Now that compound also called the picric acid, which is used as a tear gas. So reaction with IMP, phenol treated with nitrating mixture, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is formed, and that is also called the picric acid. Now one thing is there, 1 mole of the phenol is used, but here 3 moles of phenol, 3 moles of nitric acid are used to form the picric acid. Now third, sulfonation of phenol. The sulfonation म्हणजे काय, the addition of SO3H group to the benzene ring. Now here the reaction takes place at room temperature, and second that is at the higher temperature. When phenol treated with the sulfuric acid, आता इथं फोड कशी केली व H2SO4 ची फोड कशी करून घेतली, HOSO3H. So one hydrogen atom from phenol and OH कुठून सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड मधून निघून जाईल, वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल फॉर्म होईल, and this SO3H group attached to the benzene ring. So काय फॉर्म होईल, there is a formation of O-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid. फक्त मी इथं काय केलं, हा ग्रुप मी इथं लिहिला आहे आणि हा ग्रुप फक्त खाली घेतला आहे. सो कंपाउंड तोच होणार आहे. सो O-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid. So that compound will be the minor. But the same reaction will take place at the high temperature. Temperature किती घेतले बघ, 373 Kelvin. So reaction with the concentrated sulfuric acid. Now hydrogen from para position and OH from H2SO4 removed as a water, and SO3H group attached to the para position. So there is a formation of p-hydroxy. Para position ला काय attach झाला, hydroxy. So p-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid. That compound will be the major product. So keep in mind, at room temperature O-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid, and at high temperature p-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid. Now next reaction, that is a reduction of phenol. So तुम्हाला माहित आहे reduction म्हणजे काय, removal of the oxygen atom. Now from the phenol OH group मधला oxygen remove करण्यासाठी reaction काय करायचे आहे, it is heated with the zinc. So when phenol heated with the zinc, so benzene is formed. So oxygen atom goes to remove C6H5OH. So only oxygen remove झाल्यानंतर काय form होईल, there is a formation of the benzene ring. And next, that is the oxidation of phenol. So oxidation means addition of oxygen atom. So when phenol oxidized in presence of chromium oxide or sodium dichromate and dilute H2SO4, so there is a formation of the p-benzoquinone is formed. So these are the chemical properties of phenol. Now today's homework is there, that write all the reaction in a proper way on a paper. Thank you for watching video.